Good morning, my dear respected students. And today I'm just begin with the concept of using Python libraries. In previous session, we have also discussed that content also. And hopefully, I think so that you all are able to understand that how we are supposed to create our modules. If you are able to do the same, kindly type yes in a chat box. अगर आप लोग ये समझ चुके हैं that how we are supposed to create modules, then you are supposed to type yes in a chat box. Great, be quick, be quick. अरे वाह, मैसेज आ गया, ये किसका आया? खुशी खेती जी, जय कौर जी, अरे वाह, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. Okay, I'm just begin with my content, my dear respected students. Kindly concentrate, it's my humble request. Okay, earlier what we have done, my dear respected students, we are supposed to create a module named as HIA. Here it is on our screen, one module is representing, and this is to be considered as a area. But when we talk about the concept, what we have done in a practical environment, in that case, that is to be called as a HIA. And can you please type me if I want to import the module here, what I am supposed to type? Kindly type in a chat box what I am going to type. Very good, very good, very good, very good. I'm still waiting. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, ये सबसे पहले आंसर किसका आया? Yes, import here. लो जी, I'm just going to mention it as import मेरी बेटी here. Very good. I'm just going to hit the enter key and just tell me that if I want to display each and everything, that is a doc string, that is a different functions, that is a different variables, where the location is being, that particular module is saved, then what we are going to do? Kindly tell me and type in a chat box what we are supposed to do if I want to see the entire information of a module named as here. Very good. I'm still waiting in a chat box. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. अगर सब कुछ देखना है कि इंपोर्ट जो हमारा अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, वेरी गुड. आई एम सपोज टू टाइप हियर that is a help, and we are supposed to type a here. Okay, and now my dear respected students, but it makes sense that we having a functions, we having a doc string, we having a data, and we also having a location where the content is being saved. यहाँ तक मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ चुकी है. And one more thing, my dear respected students, I want to include here. Kindly type the code in a chat box if I want to call a function AOR, area of rectangle, from a module here. Kindly type in a chat box that what we are supposed to do if I want to just use a function that is a AOR from a module named as here. Very good, very good, very good. I'm still waiting that what we are going to do here. Very good. Type in a chat box. अरे वाह, here dot AOR. पर खुशी ये गलत लिख दिया आपने. AOR having required two different parameters where we are supposed to pass the values. So again, anyone else is supposed to write the same? Very good. आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अभी तक नहीं आया मेरे पास किसी का. अभी ये फ्लक्चुएट तो कर रहा है पर आगे पीछे भाग रहा है, पर अभी आया नहीं. वेरी गुड. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. What we are going to do here, we are supposed to mention it as print name of the module, that is here. After that, if we are going to mention it as AOR, then we are supposed to pass two different values as a parameter, and then we are supposed to hit the enter key, and then what happened, the content is being displayed on the screen. Content जो है आपको screen पे display हो जाएगा. Okay, no problem. Similar way, we are supposed to call AOC and AOS in a similar fashion. What we are going to do here. Now my question is, I am just going to ask one question to all my respected students, that I want to create a module named as add ADD multiply. फटाफट अब जल्दी से आपने ये क्रिएट करना है. You all are requested to kindly create this one, that I want to, and type the content for the same in a chat box. First of all, what we are going to do is we are supposed to create a module named as add multiply, ADDMUL, In that, in docstring, whatever you want to write, you can write that this module is used to perform two different operation, that is addition and multiplication. Whereas you are supposed to define two different functions, that is add and mul, that is a multiply. And add is supposed to return a addition of two different values, and multiply is supposed to return the result after multiplication of two different variables. Very good, very good. I'm waiting that what you all are going to do here. Very good. Be quick, be quick. I'm still waiting. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. I'm just going to check who's going to do it little bit faster. Very good. I am again repeating, you are all are requested to concentrate on your work, please. The name of the module is ADDMUL. Very good. And in docstring, we are supposed to mention that we having a module which is supposed to perform addition and multiplication. And next, we are supposed to define two different functions. What is the addition and second is a multiplication. Very good. Be quick, be quick, be quick. अगर कोई टाइप कर रहा है तो वो एक बार मुझे हैंड रेज कर देगा, मुझे पता लग जाएगा कि आप लोग कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे वाह, अभी तक मुझे हैंड रेज तो नहीं आया किसी का. अरे वाह अरे वाह अरे, जशनप्रीत सिंह, वेरी गुड. थैंक यू जशन, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू, वेरी गुड. बाकी लोग भी कर सकते थे पर वो मुझे लगता है कि वैसे जल्दी आना चाहते हैं ना, आगे आना चाहते हैं. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. लाइन बाय लाइन चाहे आप टाइप करके भेजते जाइए मुझे. वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स. ये मुझे लगता है जल्दी आने की चाह में हैंड रेज करना एक आधे जने को ही याद रहा, बाकी भूल गए. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. अभी तक कुछ नहीं आया मेरे पास, अभी तक कुछ कंटेंट नहीं आया. फटाफट जितना किया उतना टाइप करके भेजिए ना. Whatever you have done, you are requested to kindly copy and paste in a chat box. Great. And if you face any kind of trouble, you are requested to kindly type no in a chat box. Sir, no, I'm not able to do it. Very good. Fatafat, fatafat. Yes or no, or you are requested to kindly type the content in a chat box. Fatafat zara, jaldi se. Very good, very good. खुशी बाहर चली गई थी अभी. Very good. फिर आ गई. जल्दी 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 किया कर रहे हो. यस और नो में टाइप करिए जरा. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. अर्जुन तनेजा साहब, अरे वाह. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. अच्छा, अभी मेरे पास अभी चैट बॉक्स में तो कुछ नहीं आ रहा, तो देखिएगा जरा. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू हियर, docstring is always begins with a 3 double quotes, triple double quotes, and we are supposed to mention here this module is used to create, or we can write it as is used to perform. Very good. Perform addition and multiplication, and double quotes, triple quotes close. Okay, what we are going to do here, we are supposed to mention def add. Here it is, what we are going to do, a comma b. After that we are supposed to mention it as return a plus b. After that, next module we are talking about def. There is a mul, that is a multiplication. Again a comma b, my dear respected students, and we are supposed to mention it as return a multiply by b. And if you want to take, otherwise I am just talking about, if you want to take any kind of value for a variable, in that case what we are going to do, we are specifying the values, and we are supposed to press the F5 and hit the enter key, and just mention this as a name of the module is ADDMUL1. and I'm just going to hit the enter key here, and in our shell they are supposed to mention that yes, this module is being created here. Very good, very good. जिन लोगों को यहाँ तक समझ आ गया वो कृपया करके yes टाइप कीजिए. Very good, I am waiting. Very good, very good. Yes or no? Yes or no? अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह. अब यहाँ तक इसका मतलब ये है कि previously you are not able to do that thing. That's why you are not typing anything in a chat box. And now when teacher is supposed to be done that particular, and then you are supposed to type. Okay. Now what we are going to do here, we are supposed to, if we are supposed to check the details of that particular module, what we are supposed to mention here, we are supposed to mention help, and then there is add mul1, and we are supposed to hit the enter key. What it says is not defined. Okay, no problem. What we are going to do here, import add mul1 and hit the enter key. Very good, great. And now what we are going to do here, help add mul1 and hit the enter key, and now the details will be available. Kindly type in a chat box what it makes sense. इसका मतलब क्या है जो मैंने अभी select किया स्क्रीन पे, फटाफट जरा. I am still waiting in a chat box. Very good, very good, very good. D से start होता है मुझे लगता है, D से. This is to be called, this is supposed to begin from D itself. Very good, very good, very good. जल्दी से. Doxing नहीं है तन्यम. Dog string, DOCSTRING, dog string. Very good, very good. This is to be called as a dog string. Very good. Okay, next, my dear respected student, these are to be called as a function. These are to be considered as a data, and this is the location where our module is being saved. Very good. Now again, we are supposed to move towards example. Here it is the example, which is program number 1, but we are taking another example here. When we import, this is a module, and these are the different functions which representing their content. Okay. After that, my dear respected students, one similar kind of program what we have discussed right now is being created here, and the example is being represented here with the description also, my dear respected students. Whatever is being mentioned within a triple double quotes, that is to be called as a dog string. Tanyam ji, please spelling check kar lijiyega, dog strings. And when we talk about this thing, this is to be called as a functions. Very good. यहाँ तक जिन लोगों को क्लियर है मेरे बच्चों को, वो चैट बॉक्स में यस टाइप कर दीजिए. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. फटाफट जल्दी से जल्दी से जल्दी से. आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर यू ऑल, वेटिंग फॉर योर रिस्पॉन्सेज. वेरी गुड, थैंक यू नॉर्मन, थैंक यू जशनप्रीत, प्रभजोत, जय कौर जी. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट. अरे वाह, खुशी खेती जी, खुशी खेती जी, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू. चलिए नेक्स्ट चलते हैं मेरे बेटा. Now kindly concentrate, it's my humble request. Commonly used commands used with modules. मेरे बच्चों, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, ये हम सब कर चुके हैं. Kindly concentrate. If I want to import some module, in such case what we are going to do here, we are supposed to mention the name of the module here. What we are going to mention, my dear respected students, for example, if I want to import a module that is a math, we are supposed to write it as import and then name of the module, which is mentioned here on the presentation part. Okay, if you want to view the structure, mere beta, meri request hai, it's my humble request that kindly write it down each and everything. If you want to see the content of that particular module, what we are going to do here, we are supposed to mention it as help, and then we are supposed to mention the name of the module here, and then hit the enter key, because this is a inbuilt module. This having a huge information which is being stored here and which is being displayed on your screen. These are the different variables which having a values by default. Very good. Again, now next thing, my dear respected student, when we just type help and name of the module, they display the information which is being displayed on the screen. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात यहाँ तक समझ आ गई हो, it's my humble request, kindly type yes in a chat box. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Great, great. अरे आज नॉर्मल तेज लग रहा है मुझे यार, पता नहीं क्यों है. Very good. अरे वाह, प्रभजोत भी है. Very good. और कौन है? जशनप्रीत है. अरे वाह, जयकौर है. अरे वाह, भगत भी है. भगत जी, अच्छे तरीके से जरा ध्यान दीजिएगा. वेरी गुड. नाउ काइंडली कंसंट्रेट माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट्स एंड note it down on your notebooks that dir, directory function, is used to return the list of attributes. I am repeating my words again, my dear respected students. dir, that is the directory function, is supposed to return the list of attributes, functions, modules and strings or list which is being stored in the module. Again, I am repeating, dir stands for a directory. This is a function which is used to display or return the list of attributes including functions, modules, strings, list and any other kind of information if that is being stored in the module. Here it is. What we are going to do here, kindly concentrate. You are saying that sir kindly do it practically. आप इसको practically करके दिखाइए ना, ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं आप? मैंने कहा okay, no problem. What we are going to do here, I'm just going to press Ctrl plus F6 and restarting a shell. Now I'm just going to import here. I'm just going to import here. अच्छा, एक बार import here करने से पहले वैसे otherwise करके दिखाता हूँ. देखिएगा, दोबारा restart मैंने shell कर दिया. I'm just going to mention it as dir. अब प्लीज यहाँ देखिएगा, whenever I have entered a dir, that is a directory command, and here within brackets I am not going to import anything right now. They just mention some information and these all are begin and end with a double underscore. मेरे बच्चों मेरी बात सुन लीजिएगा, this is a double underscore. Kindly I am just going to mention here, for example, print. If you want to see the information of this, I'm just going to mention here double underscore doc, that is a document, and I'm just going to hit the enter and it says none. इसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay, now what happen if I just going to mention import here, hit the enter key and mention it as dir here, that is the name of the module. Now kindly see one thing, my dear respected students, some of the function what we have created and the variables we have declared within a here module is being represented as we have mentioned help here and hit the enter key. Kindly concentrate, these are the three functions which is being displayed in directory, and this is the variable what we are going to see here in a directory portion. Directory आपको सारी की सारी information जो है वो display करती है. अब kindly concentrate. dir, again I am typing dir here, hit the enter key. Sir, what is the meaning of these information? Doc, file, loader, package, cached. Sir, इसका मतलब क्या है? But it makes sense. Kindly consider. I am just going to mention print. Okay, after that here dot underscore underscore, and here it is. I am just going to mention it as a doc, doc. Again there is a two underscores and hit the enter key. What it makes sense, kindly consider, my dear respected students, it just going to display the doc string. मेरे बच्चों ध्यान से सुन लेना, it is just going to display the doc string which is being mentioned here in your module. जिन बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आई है वो yes में आंसर कर दे, नहीं तो no में कर दीजिएगा, no problem. Very good. I am waiting for you, my dear respected students. I am still waiting for you. Great. अरे वाह, भगत ने भगत, thank you. भगत प्रीत जी, थैंक यू. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. और बताइए, अगर जिसको नहीं समझ आया ना मेरा बेटा, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट दैट यू आर सपोज टू देखा सर, प्लीज रिपीट वंस बिकॉज नॉर्मल दैट इज नॉट देयर व्हाइल वी आर डिस्कसिंग. थैंक यू नॉर्मन. हिया जी, थैंक यू. मेरे बेटा, मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू ऑल दैट यू आर सपोज टू गिव मी अ रिप्लाई, वेदर इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यस, वेदर इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नो, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. पर आपका रिप्लाई मेरे पास जरूर आना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मुझे 4-5 लोग ही रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं. वेरी गुड, ठीक है. जो लोग रिपीट करना चाहते हैं वो प्लीज लिखिए रिपीट. नॉर्मल दोबारा से टाइप कीजिए रिपीट. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग. वेरी गुड. एंड अदर स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल, दोज हु वांट टू रिपीट. मैंने ये पिटाई कर देनी है प्रभजोत की भी और खुशी की भी. अगर आपका रिस्पॉन्स मुझे ना आया, मैंने कभी नहीं बोला कि मुझे यस में रिस्पॉन्स दीजिए. आई हैव नेवर say this thing. Akul ji, thank you very much. I need your response, whether it is no, whether it is yes. मैं पिटाई करूंगा सब लोगों की. ये तो मेरे अच्छे स्टूडेंट है, जैक और अकुल वशिष्ठ जी, प्रभजोत, खुशी खेती. बेटा ये देखो, देखो मैं किस लिए हूँ यहाँ पे. मैं किसी अदरवाइज वैसे बैठा हूँ क्या यहाँ पे? मैं आपके सेवा के लिए हूँ, मेरे बच्चों को समझ आए इसलिए कवलजीत सर यहाँ पे बैठे हुए। देखिएगा, कृपया करके ध्यान दीजिए। My dear respected students, I am just going to press Ctrl plus F6 again, and it says that I am going to start a reshell. Sorry, restart a shell. Restart a shell. यहाँ तक सबको समझ आ गया? मुझे yes or no में quickly answer चाहिए. Very good, very good. I need your answers. Very good, very good. Yes or no? Yes. अब ठीक है, अब ठीक है, अब ठीक है. Okay. Now what happened? dir is a function used to return attributes. Used to return attributes. Sir, what kind of attributes they are supposed to return? What kind of attributes? They are supposed to return a list, variable, functions, etc. ये सारी की सारी चीजें आपको dir जो है वो फंक्शन रिटर्न करता है. When I just use dir without writing anything, they have just display some of the information which is by default, but if I just want to see that what the information is supposed to be returned, we are supposed to mention it as double underscore doc double underscore and hit the enter key. They said none. इसका मतलब है कि dir के अंदर तो आपने कुछ अभी तक मेंशन किया ही नहीं है. प्लीज मुझे बता दीजिए यस और नो यहां तक के लिए. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट, वेरी गुड. मुझे बता दीजिएगा यस और नो में आंसर कर दीजिए. यहां तक सबको समझ आ गया? अरे वाह, अब देखा ना, अब ठीक हुआ ना. नाउ काइंडली कंसंट्रेट. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू इंपोर्ट अ मॉड्यूल व्हिच इज नेम्ड एज हियर. Kindly concentrate now. What we have imported, we have imported a module that is here, and here I am just going to type help, and I am going to type a module name that is a here. This is the information which is being stored within a module is being represented here. अब यहाँ तक जिन लोगों को समझ आ गया वो yes और no में आंसर करें फटाफट. अब मैं साथ के साथ एक्नॉलेजमेंट लूंगा आपसे. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, ग्रेट, ग्रेट. अब मैंने क्या टाइप किया? डायरेक्टरी विच इज सपोज टू रिटर्न द एट्रीब्यूट्स. एट्रीब्यूट्स रिटर्न करता है. मैंने क्या लिखा? हियर हियर, एंड व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू एंटर हियर दे रिटर्न सम इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड दीज इंफॉर्मेशन वी कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड. ये सब क्या है? एओसी, एओआर, एओएस क्या है? जल्दी से बताइए मुझे चैट बॉक्स में. सिर्फ तीनों के बारे में मैंने पूछा है. एओसी, एओआर, एओएस, ये क्या है मेरे बच्चों? जल्दी से मुझे चैट बॉक्स में रिटर्न करिए. नहीं नहीं, मुझे सिंपल बता दीजिए ये फंक्शन है, वेरिएबल है, क्या है? भगत ने एरिया ऑफ सर्कल लिखा है. नहीं भगत, एरिया ऑफ सर्कल नहीं. अरे वाह, खुशी शॉर्ट फॉर्म में आ गई है. फंक्शन नेम. वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच खुशी. These all are to be considered as a function name, these three. And these what is the meaning of this pi? Very good, जल्दी से मुझे फंक्शन रिटर्न करिए चैट बॉक्स में. वेरी गुड. pi क्या है? फंक्शन है, वेरिएबल है, लिस्ट है, क्या है, क्या चीज है ये? वेरी गुड, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Data, variable. Very good, thank you. And now my dear respected students, kindly consider that I have mentioned that this is the name of the module, that is a here. And if you want to use doc double underscore here, then there is a doc double underscore here, and hit the enter key. This doc return a doc string. मेरे बेटा मुझे चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करिए कि ये जो doc है डबल अंडरस्कोर doc डबल अंडरस्कोर, ये क्या रिटर्न करता है? What this is going to be returned? Very good. I am just going to take acknowledgement after each statement. Very good. That is to be called as a doc string. खुशी का आंसर आ गया. और भी जैक और भी सब लोगों का आंसर चाहिए मुझे, जो लोग यहाँ पे अवेलेबल हैं. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. नाउ वन मोर थिंग हियर. काइंडली कंसंट्रेट. सब तो मेरे लिए करना पॉसिबल नहीं है यहाँ पे, बट इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट दैट यू आर आल्सो सपोज्ड टू ट्राई दीज on your system. Here it is. Next we are talking about a file. Next we are talking about a file here, and what it makes sense, file is representing the information where this particular module is being stored. They are supposed to return the location of that particular. Yes or no? जल्दी से बताइए yes or no, और साथ में बताइए कि when we use a double underscore file double underscore, what it returns? It returns a doc string, it returns a location, it returns a function, it returns a variable. What it returns? Double underscore file double underscore. Very good. स्पेलिंग गलत है भगत एड्रेस के. Yes, location. Very good, very good. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। यहाँ तक अब क्लियर है? यहाँ तक क्लियर है सब लोगों को? यस और नो में आंसर कर दीजिए प्लीज। यस और नो में आंसर, यस और नो में आंसर। यस, इट रिटर्न्स वेयर द मॉड्यूल इज स्टोर्ड। अरे वाह, अब मजा आया ना यार। मेरे को तुम लोग चाहिए और तुम लोग रिस्पॉन्ड करते हुए चाहिए, मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए। और जहां आप रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करेंगे वहां मुझे गुस्सा आना स्वाभाविक है। इट्स माई राइट। ओके, after that what we are going to do here, my dear respected student, if you want to check, okay, one more thing I just want to display here. Here it is, if we are supposed to display, for example, here it is, double underscore name is also mentioned. If you want to check that particular also, I'm just going to mention it as print. Okay, after that here it is here, and double underscore name, double underscore, hit the enter key, it says here. मेरे बच्चों मेरी बात सुन लीजिएगा ध्यान से। One more thing, what we are going to do here, end. जैसे अभी इधर देखिएगा, मैंने यहाँ टाइप किया a is equal to 10 और मैंने एंटर हिट किया। When I want to check the data type of that particular variable, I have mentioned type a, और मैंने जैसे ही यहाँ पे एंटर हिट किया उसने बोला it belongs to a class integer, because उसके अंदर integer है। If I have mentioned ab is equal to 10.23 and hit the enter key and mention it as a type ab, hit the enter key, it says because they having a float. But as similar, what we are going to do, we are going to type here, type and type here a here and hit the enter key. So my dear respected student, it says that this is a module. जितने मेरे बच्चों को यहाँ तक मेरी बात समझ आ गई है वो मुझे yes और no में response दीजिए। Very good, very good, very good, very good. Give me a response in yes or no if you have cleared till now. Very good, very good. अब देखा आने शुरू हुए ना responses. Very good, very good. Thank you, थैंक यू मेरे बच्चों, थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू। चलिए जी, अब आगे देखिएगा प्लीज। ये सब कुछ हो गया हमारा, ये हमने सब कुछ कर लिया। नेक्स्ट देखिएगा, importing modules in a Python program. Very good. To import an entire module, which is very very easy, what we have discussed earlier also. मेरे बेटा मेरी बात जरा ध्यान से सुन लेना कि हर एक चीज आपको सुननी भी है और समझनी भी है। प्लीज यहाँ देखिएगा। What we are going to do here, I'm just going to restart a shell again. And now what we are going to do, I'm just going to import 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 a module at mul1 and hit the enter key. Okay, मैंने इसको कर लिया। अब क्या हुआ था, entire module will be imported in our Python, but what happened here, we are supposed to mention it as print. Then we are supposed to mention the name of the module, that is add mul1, and then we are supposed to mention it as the name of the function add, and here it is, we are supposed to pass two different values and hit the enter key. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ रही है? मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आई? यस और नो में आंसर दीजिए प्लीज। वेरी गुड। सिर्फ यस और नो में नहीं, अगर कोई सजेशन है आप तब भी दे सकते हैं। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। What we are going to do here, what we are going to do here, we are supposed to call that particular function mul and type here 2,8 and we are supposed to hit the enter key. It says that mul is not defined here. Why so? Why, my dear respected student? Because when we are using the concept of import along with the name of the module, in such case, what we are going to do here, we are supposed to do that thing with the help of module name only. अब मैंने क्या किया, add mul1 dot mul 2,4 and now we are going to hit the enter key. Now it works perfectly because there is a constraint that in such case where we are typing a import and name of the module, we are supposed to mention the name of the module in front of the name of the function. मेरे बच्चों को जिन लोगों को मेरी बात यहाँ तक समझ आई है वो yes में, no में, repeat में, नहीं समझ आया जो भी लिखना चाहे वो लिख सकते हैं। अब मैं बोलूंगा ही नहीं कभी भी कि आप सिर्फ yes no में आंसर दें। वेरी गुड, जिन लोगों को यहाँ तक समझ आ गया, वेरी गुड, 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 थैंक यू वेरी मच, गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू। ओके, प्लीज रिपीट एड मॉड्यूल। ओके, भगत जी एड मॉड्यूल क्या रिपीट करूं आपको? प्लीज रिपीट एड मॉड्यूल। सर कैन वी डिलीट अवर प्री क्रिएटेड मॉड्यूल्स? यस यू कैन डिलीट बेटा। वो डायरेक्टली वही जो आपको बताया है, लोकेशन पे चले जाइए जहाँ पे है और वहां से आप डिलीट कर सकते हैं, है ना? वहां से आप इजीली डिलीट कर सकते हैं इन चीजों को। you can delete. Okay, thank you खुशी. भगत मैंने कुछ नहीं किया यार, ये देख मैं कंट्रोल प्लस F6 कर रहा हूँ. अब मैंने क्या किया, जैसे मैंने एक मॉड्यूल क्रिएट किया था, तो मैंने क्या लिखा, सबसे पहले मैंने लिखा यहाँ पे IMPORT import add MUL1 और मैंने एंटरेट कर दिया. ठीक है, अगर इसका मैंने कंटेंट चेक करना है भगत, तो मैंने क्या किया, ADD MUL1 मेरे बेटा एंटरेट कर दिया, ये सारे फंक्शंस आ गए, ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आ गई. और अगर इसको यूज करना है मैंने, तो मैंने यहाँ लिखा प्रिंट ADD MUL1 डॉट ADD फंक्शन का नाम, और मैंने 2 वैल्यूज मेंशन कर दी और एंटरेट कर दिया. भगत क्लियर है तो यस टाइप कर दे यार. क्लियर है तो ये स्टेप. अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, अरे वाह, थैंक यू भगत. Okay, next thing, these are the similar kind of examples. If they are saying that if you want to import a similar way, if you can import more than one modules, what we are going to do here, import. First I am just going to mention the name of my dear respected students and consider it as a module, and then we are supposed to mention it as a ADD MUL, and we are going to hit the enter key. Okay, what we are going to do here, print. Okay, हिया के अंदर क्या था, वो कुछ याद है क्या? हिया के अंदर AOC कर लेते हैं ना, AOC डॉट AOC 5. Okay, after that what we are going to do here, we are supposed to mention it as okay, and what we are going to mention here, ADD MUL1 dot, here it is function is add, we are supposed to mention 2,5, and this is done, I think so. Now what we are going to do, we are supposed to use or importing a 2 different function, AOC and add, from a different module, that is one is from here and second is from add multiply 1. And what we are going to do here, we are supposed to hit the enter key and the content will be displayed on the screen. मेरे बच्चों, content जो है आप लोगों को स्क्रीन पे नजर आ गया. जिस लोगों को इतनी बात समझ आ गई वो यस टाइप करिए. वेरी गुड, आई एम वेटिंग. जितने लोगों को यहाँ तक मेरी बात समझ आ गई हो वो प्लीज यस टाइप करिए. वेरी गुड. That how we are going to import more than one modules. Very good. सब लोगों की मुझे यस चाहिए. अभी मेरे पास 4-5 लोगों की यस आई है. जिसका नहीं है वो नो लिखो, जिसका नहीं है वो रिपीट लिखो. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. थैंक यू. चलिए जी, अब आगे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट वी आर मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. वेरी गुड, थैंक यू अकुल. Now next thing is that how we are going to import a single object. In spite of importing the entire module, we are supposed to import only a single module. What we are going to do here, kindly concentrate my dear respected students. I'm just going to restart a shell here, my dear respected student, and this time I'm just going to mention from here import. क्या import करो, जैसे हमने किया AOC and hit the enter key. What happened here, my dear respected students, previously when we want to use the AOC, we are supposed to mention the name of the module first and then name of the function. But this time what we are going to do here, we are simply going to mention the name of the function and hit the enter key, and in such case there is no need to mention the name of the module. जितने लोगों को मेरी बात यहाँ तक समझ आई हो मुझे बता दीजिएगा. वेरी गुड. भगत कौन सा रिपीट करने के लिए बोल रहा है? वो जो ऊपर हिया और एड मॉड्यूल वाला किया था. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. हिया का आ गया, भगत का आ गया. यस सर, वेरी गुड. और लोगों की भी रिक्वेस्ट है, और लोगों का भी मैं कर रहा हूँ. या तो नो में कर दो, या नो में कर दो. वेरी गुड. Bhagat मेरा बेटा, what we are going to do here, we are supposed to import more than one modules here, and in such case what we are going to do is we are supposed to call the modules, that is, here it is, we are going to import IMPORT import, name of the module is here, and second is to be called as a add multiply and hit the enter key. And what we are going to do, in spite of using one module or one function, what we are going to do, Bhagat ji, we are mentioning here the name of the function is AOC, name of the module is add multiply 1, name of the function is add, and hit the enter key and it display the information on the screen. यहाँ तक जितने लोगों को मेरी बात समझ आ गई हो फटाफट यस में आंसर, नो में आंसर, रिपीट में आंसर, जो भी लिखना चाहे लिख सकते हैं. वेरी गुड. आई एम वॉचिंग, आई एम वेटिंग, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। अब आ गए ना सबके रिस्पॉन्सेज मेरे पास, क्योंकि अब सबको पता लग गया कि सर रिस्पॉन्स से जो है उसके बाद ही आगे बढ़ेंगे, उससे पहले नहीं बढ़ेंगे। वेरी गुड। नाउ कंसंट्रेट, here it is the example. No need to prefix the module name if we are supposed to mention from name of the module import name of the function. मेरे बच्चों अब आप मुझे बोलेंगे what you are going to say, आप बोलेंगे सर it's very difficult to write the name of the function if it's very difficult to type. Okay, next concept says that, my dear respected students, what happen here, if you want to import that particular modules and you are not going to, if you want to import module with along with all the function and you're not going to specify the name of the function, in such case we are going to mention it as, पहले मैं control plus F6 कर दूं for restarting a shell, and now we are going to mention it as from ADDMUL1, this is the name of the module, from ADDMUL1 import import import, and there is a asterisk symbol, but it makes sense, and when we are going to hit, it says that I am going to import all the functions, all the variables, each and everything which is being mentioned in this particular module. And if you want to use, there is no need to mention the name of the module. What happen here, it says add 6,7, hit the enter key, again it says print MUL, that is a multiply 4,6, and it says enter key, and in that case it display the information. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात यहाँ तक समझ आ गई हो, कृपया करके आपके चरणों में विनम्र विनती है कि मुझे यस, मुझे नो, मुझे रिपीट में आंसर दे। सर कैन यू प्लीज क्रिएट एनी वन मॉड्यूल अगेन, आई वांट टू ब्रश अप द कॉन्सेप्ट। ये कौन है ब्रश अप वाला, पैसे लगेंगे पर इसके रिकॉर्डिंग में है कुछ खेती साहब, एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस हैं हर एक चीज के, ऐसे मत सोचिएगा कि फ्री में काम बन जाएगा। एक बार यस करो अगर ठीक है, अगर पेमेंट ओके है तो खुशी कहती जी यस करिए। ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है मेरा बच्चा, मैं फटाफट करता हूँ, देखिएगा।